Today I'll be teaching you how to install a steering wheel and boss kit. First, grab a reasonably large screwdriver to pry off the front. Disconnect any wires to the horn. Now use an impact gun to unscrew the nut. Put the nut aside because we'll use that later. Carefully take off the steering wheel and set that aside. Take the boss kit and unpack the contents. Grab your boss kit and put it on the steering column, making sure it's in line. Then grab the nut and hand screw it onto the threads. At this point you can make sure that it won't fall off. Now you can grab the impact gun to make it quicker. Always tighten it down by hand to make sure it won't go anywhere. Connect up the horn wires and get ready to put the steering wheel on. Line up the holes on the wheel with the boss and hand screw in the bolts. Once you've done that, use the provided Allen key to tighten up the bolts. And now for my favourite part, taking off the plastic. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing or click the video on the right.